How to set up an e-commerce store in your Squarespace website. Squarespace provides an easy and convenient way to add an e-commerce store to your website. So let's begin. First, just type Squarespace in your Google. Now click on the link and open in a new tab. First, you need to sign up into a Squarespace account. After signing up, click on Get Started. Now here you can see variety of templates is available. Choose the online store option here. Select the template for your online store and customize it according to your requirements. Now just scroll down to preview your template. I just go with this template. Click on preview. Now click on start with this design. Now here name your website and click on continue. Click on next and get started. Here is the editor of our website. Now you have to set up an e-commerce store. So first click on pages. Now click on plus sign here. Here you can see varieties of pages is available. You have just go to our store page. Click on store. Now here you can see the two type of template design available. If you have more than 3 products or numerous products, you can go with second template. If you have limited products, you can go with first template. Right now I am going with the second template. Here is name your store. I am just renaming it store 1. Now here you can see a store website. You can also edit your store page accordingly. You can also change the background, edit section, anyone you need to do. After doing, click on done and the changes has been made. Now click on any one of these. Here you can see detail design of a detail page. If you want simple design, you can select simple. If you want your photo to be looks bigger, you can select half. If you want full, you can select full. Anything you can choose according to your requirements. I will choose half right now. Click on close. Here you can see that our review looks good. Now just click on the 3 dots available and click on edit. Here you can see the template form of our product. So let's begin. Here you can see set your product's name. Example, any one of, if you have shirt product, you can select shirt. Now here is description of your product. You can also add description here. Now here it is additional information available. Click on the arrow. Here you can put your additional info on your product page. You can add a longer description, videos or any other content. This will make it stand out very good. Now when you made changes, click on apply. Now go on this page. This is the images set. Here you can add your product image. You can also edit your product image from here. Click on featured image. click on edit image. Here you can adjust your brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blur, shadows, anything you will like to. After, click on save. You can also add your product from here. After adding the product, scroll down. Here you can set your price of the product. If it is on sale, you can also add a sales price here. After, here you can see the stock. You can also change the quantity of your stock. If your stock is limited, you can change it anyone. If you have unlimited stock, you can click on this, so it will enable the unlimited stock option. Here you can name your SKU. Now its variants. It is very important guys, so please note it. Click on add. If you have t-shirt business, so you have to define your color, various color. So here, if you have yellow color, you can choose yellow. If you have green color t-shirt, choose green. If you have red color t-shirt, you can select red. Also you can add another option from here. You can also add your size accordingly. If you have small size, you can say small, medium, large, XL. After adding the various options, you can click on save. Now here you can see 12 variants is available. Now you can edit all variants accordingly. You can also change your SKU, you can also change your dimension, anything you want to change. Now this is our fulfillment. This will allow buyer to select how they like to receive this product. For example, local pickup or ground shipping. Here you can set up your fulfillment profile. After this is the option of advanced shipping. You can also adjust the shipping for different variants accordingly. Now here is the organization name. You can create categories to bucket products. Category will appear in the store's navigation. You can also add tags to your related product. The tags will not shown in your store. Now visibility. Visibility is a very important feature guys. This will feature your product very easy. If you want to sell some product on urgent basis, you can on this feature product option, so it will visible to public very easily. Now here it is marketing. Here the public will find you easily by doing SEO. So SEO is very important guys. You can also add social share option. Now this is our checkout button. You can also customize and add to cart button. After changing all these, click on save. This will save your product's name. Now you can also add your physical page, service page, digital download, deposit, gift card, membership, video on demand, scheduling. Anyone want to, you can add from here. Just now I am select on physical. Here you can see that same template is available. So you can fill the same. You can so you can fill the same similar option by applying the same step which will apply on this t-shirt. Okay, great. After made all the changes, you can go back to our page. Now you can also add another store page. If you have another category, you can also add another page. Now click on store. You can also create new category, appears as a new items in your store, or also you can create a new store. I will create a new store. And now if you want to change your template, you can change this and rename this name store 2. Here is the different design of your store. In this design you can also repeat the same step which we done in the store 2. Now here you can also adjust your store setting. Here you can name your store, navigation title, URL slug, enable page. You can also add your password here. You can also add a filter visibility. Now go in category. Here you can add your category here. If you sell shirts, you can also add here t-shirts category. You can also add here socks category. Anything you like to add here. Now here is the SEO part. You can also add the SEO description here, so the people will find you easily on Google. Here you can also add your store social image. Here is the advanced option. Here is the QQ option. You click on enable queue to allow user to dynamically access more detailed information about an individual product. You can also manage text from here. And this is the code if you want to inject some code here. Now after setting this store page, click on back to home. Now click on commerce. From here you can add your products which we added earlier. Click on this plus sign and this will add your product. Now second step is payments. Here you can set up your payment method. This is the payment method: Stripe, PayPal, Squarespace and Square. You can also adjust your store currency from here. Now go to shipping. Here you can add your shipping option, and also you can set up your picking option. In this option you can also set up your shipping flat rate. You can also set up your shipping free. You can also set up the shipping rate of depending on where. Anything you want to change according to your requirement. Here you can set up your pickup location of your shipping store. Now after applying all the details, now you can go to click on publish and go live and start selling. So guys, that's it. By following this step, you can easily set up your own e-commerce store in Squarespace and start selling your products online.